Teachers and writers at work always reminds us that knowing what to check for is the difference between 80% and 90%. It is common for students to think that checking simply means to reread their compo. That is a huge no. Don't just read. Check for mistakes in punctuation, spelling, repetition, point of view, and logic. First, the most basic thing to check for is your punctuation. Did you add a full stop to put a stop to your sentence? If your sentence keeps on running on, your teacher will feel like he is on a super speed treadmill, never knowing when to stop. Next, mumble as you check your work. Studies have shown that your brain is able to scramble words in order to make it right if you read it aloud. Not only can you check your spelling, when you realize that you have been mumbling the same words over and over again, you will notice that you have been repeating certain words in your compo. And that's when to put those synonyms that you were forced to memorize to use. Now, it's time to check for POV, point of view. Of course, it is fun to name all your characters like naming all your precious puppies. Remember though, even your mom gets confused with the names of you and your sister. What makes you think you won't get confused with Ben, Benedict, Benjamin, Bentley, Brandon, Braden, and so on? So remember, only name the main character and characters that play a vital role in your story. Have you read a story where the main character goes from being I to Tim in the middle and then switching back to I at the end? One can never be both I and Tim in the same compo. If you are writing in first-person perspective, don't jump to writing in third-person perspective. You will only confuse both your teacher and yourself. Last but not least, ask yourself, is your story logical? Did Tom go from walking home from school to finding a lost puppy in the school garden? Did Jerry go from eating cheesecake to having chocolate stains on his mouth? Did Elsa go from wearing a dress to t-shirt and jeans? Your final task is to check that every single detail in your compo makes sense and flows with the plot. Do this and you can possibly save a few more points for yourself.